Nobody can determine to us. If you want your state to be dirty, it's your business. I cannot tell you how your state will be. But for our state, we will not accept that. Somebody said in 2021, I overheard the Commissioner of Land say that the governor has approved for us. We are not the staff of their state to know when the governor has approved for when he has not approved for Christ's sake. For Christ's sake. I've never seen a government so hostile to the rest of the government like Bayelsa State. And let the truth be told. Let the truth be told. Every time politics will come in, what is the vendetta? Vendetta for what? Bayelsa State have been a club of development against River State government. We had a joint property where Ancon took over. New engineering works and Transamadi, Ancon took over the property and advertised for sale. River State government said, look, you can't do that. We were ready to buy it. Bayelsa State government knew about it. When River State government purchased it from Ancon, Bayelsa State government went to court against River State government. So it's unfortunate.